Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing. Update the Ps5, update your Xbox controller firmware, and pick your connectivity method. Use an official wireless adapter like 8BitDo or a Cronus device for full button mapping. Wired USB-C is quicker, but may limit Ps5-specific features. Once done, plug the adapter into a front or rear USB port. Make sure the Xbox controller is charged and in pairing mode. These steps prevent firmware mismatches and ensure the adapter and Ps5 negotiate proper input mapping before you proceed. Now you perform the pairing and configuration. Put the Xbox controller into Bluetooth pairing or connect via USB-C if using a cable. Put the adapter into pairing mode and press its sync button. Wait until the adapter LED indicates a connection, then check the Ps5 main menu to verify directional and face buttons respond. Make sure adapter firmware and mode, gamepad/Xbox mapping, match Ps5 expectations, and remap buttons on the adapter if prompts look off. Once inputs register, proceed to test in a game. Finish by confirming functionality inside a game and adjusting settings. Load a non-Ps5 native title or the Ps5 menu to test vibration, triggers, and sticks. If buttons feel swapped, use the adapter's remap utility or the Ps5 accessibility remapping to correct layout. If connection fails, power cycle the controller and adapter, try another USB port, or reinstall adapter firmware. Keep in mind some Ps5 features like trophies, adaptive triggers, and certain haptics may not work with Xbox controllers, so expect partial compatibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.